Let me have your attention for a moment. So, you're talking about what? You're bitching about that life you lost. Some level you can't complete. Some bug that no one can identify. Some IT slag you're trying to screw and so forth. Let's talk about something important. Are they all here? Well, I'm going anyway. Let's talk about something important. Put that 5-hour energy down. 5-hour energy is for finishers. Do you think I'm fucking with you? I am not fucking with you. I'm here from downtown. I'm here from Sam and Suki. And I'm here on a mission of mercy. Your name's Levine.
Yeah.
You call yourself a game tester, you son of a bitch.
I don't have to listen to this sheet.
You certainly don't. 'Cause the good news is, you're fired. The bad news is you've got just 1 week to regain your jobs, starting tonight. Oh, have I got your attention now? Good. 'Cause we're adding a little something to this month's game testing contest. As you all know, first prize is a Nissan Cube. Anyone want to see second prize? Second prize is a package of AAA batteries. Third prize is you're fired. You get the picture? You're laughing now? You got games. Sam and Suki paid good money. Get your controller and finish them. You can't finish the games you're given, you can't finish sheet, you are sheet, hit the bricks pal and beat it 'cause you are going out.
The games are weak.
The games are weak. Fucking games are weak? You're weak. I've been in this business 15 years.
What's your name?
Fuck you, that's my name. You know why? 'Cause you drove a Hyundai Accent to get here tonight. I drove a $25,000 Prius. That's my name. And your name is, you're wanting. And you can play in a man's game. You can finish them. And you go home and tell your spouse your troubles. Because only one thing counts in this life. Get them to sign off on the game which is hot. You hear me, you fucking faggots? ABS, A always, BBS saving. Always be saving. Always be saving. Attention, interest, decision, action. Attention, do I have your attention? Interest, are you interested? I know you are because it's fuck or walk. You finish or you hit the bricks. Decision, have you made your decision for Christ's sake? And action. Get out there. You got the games coming in, you think they came in to test themselves? Are you gonna take it? Are you man enough to take it? What's the problem?
You are such a hero, you are so rich. Why are you coming down here and waste your time on a bunch of bums?
You see this watch? You see this watch?
Yeah.
That watch cost more than your car. I made $270,000 last year. How much you make? You see, pal, that's who I am. And you're nothing. Nice person? I don't give a shit. Good parent. Fuck you, go home and play with your kids. You wanna work here? Finish. You think this is abuse. You think this is abuse, you cocksucker. You can't take this, how can you take the abuse you get on a test? You don't like it, leave. I can go out there tonight with the games you got and find every bug wrong with it. Tonight. In 2 hours. Can you? Can you? Go and do likewise. Get mad. You sons of bitches. Get mad. You know what it takes to game test? It takes brass balls to game test. Go and do likewise. The bugs are out there, you pick 'em out, they're yours. You don't, I have no sympathy for you. You wanna go out on those sits tonight and finish, it's yours. If not, you're going to be shining my shoes. Bunch of losers sitting around in a bar. Oh yeah, I used to be a game tester, it's a tough racket. These are the new games. These are the Glengarry games. And to you, they're gold. And you don't get them. Because to give them to you is just throwing them away. They're for finishers. I'd wish you good luck, but you wouldn't know what to do with it if you got it. And to answer your question, why am I here? I came here because Sam and Suki asked me to. They asked me for a favor. I said, the real favor, follow my advice and fire your fucking ass because a loser is a loser.